The 7 Miles Bridge is an iconic bridge in Florida, appearing in movies like True Lies, License to Kill, and Too Fast, Too Furious. The 7 Mile Bridge is one of the longest bridges in the world and stretches approximately 6.79 miles. The bridge is part of the Overseas Highway U.S. Route 1 and offers breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. The modern 7 Mile Bridge was constructed from 1978 to 1982, and the old bridge remains partially intact and serves as a fishing pier and walking path. The bridge is a crucial part of the drive from Miami to Key West, which is around 113 miles, and includes 42 bridges, with the 7 Mile Bridge being the longest. The 7 Mile Bridge connects to Key West, which is the southernmost city in the continental U.S.